every day on WIFC.
The following is a severe weather bulletin. The National Weather Service in Green Bay has issued a tornado warning for eastern Marathon County until 9:30 p.m. At 8:58 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Weston or near Wausau, moving southeast at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of eastern Marathon County, including the following locations: Sunset, Ringgold, Petland, Camp Phillips Scout Camp, Pike Lake, Schofield, Rocky Corners, Nutterville, Rib Mountain State Park, and Rothschild. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. This cluster of thunderstorms is capable of producing tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. for the following county: Marathon, Wisconsin,